In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a record link in Salesforce Flow. Send email dynamic record link. We'll start by signing into your Salesforce account and heading straight to Setup. From there, open the Advanced Setup area so you can access all admin tools. In the Quick Find box, search for Flows and open the Flows page. Click New Flow to begin building your automation. Choose Record Triggered Flow. This type of flow runs automatically when a record meets your conditions, which is perfect for sending an email as soon as a record is created. Next, set the object to case. Using case here means the flow will listen for new cases and react instantly. For the trigger, select a record is created so the flow fires the moment a new case is saved. Before we send an email, we need a dynamic record link. Toggle to create a new resource and click New Resource. Select Formula as the resource type. A formula resource lets you calculate a value on the fly, here, a URL to the exact record. Give the resource an API. Name you'll recognize later, choose text as the data type, and then enter your formula. The idea is to combine your org's base URL with the record's unique ID, so the link always points to the current case. Click Check Syntax to validate the formula, and make sure there are no typos or missing brackets. When it's valid, click Done. Back on the canvas, click the plus icon to add an element. Choose Action. Actions are predefined tasks the flow can perform, like sending emails. Use the search to highlight the email option and select Send Email. This built-in action lets you set the sender, recipients, subject, and body without custom code. Add a clear label so you can identify this step later. For the recipient address, choose blank value, empty string, to keep it empty for now, which works as a placeholder in some setups. Set the sender type to current user so emails come from whoever triggered the flow, keeping communication personal. Enter a concise subject line that identifies the case. In the body, write your message and paste the formula resource you created to surface the dynamic record link, making it easy for recipients to open the exact record with one click. Click Save. Provide a label for the flow. The API name will auto-fill based on that label. Click Save again to store your configuration, and that's it. You logged in, opened Setup, created a record-triggered flow on case, built a formula for a dynamic record link, and used the Send Email action to include that link in your message. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.